Hello and welcome to Coaster Stop. We have a special treat for all of our Liseberg fans today. A construction update on the new roller coaster Luna. With Liseberg's 100-year anniversary starting in April 2023, they need things to draw people in. Why not open a brand new hotel and a new roller coaster, which is the park's 7th coaster? For those who may not be familiar, Luna is a Vekoma Family boomerang that is being installed in the upper part of the park. Luna is 242 meters long, but you'll ride it both forwards and backwards, so the ride will be 484 meters. Luna is also the fastest Vekoma Family boomerang in the world. Over the past few weeks, we've been seeing tracks for Luna arriving at the park, and we're excited to announce that the installation process has officially begun. As we look around the construction site, you can see that the track is starting to take shape and rise into the air. It's truly a sight to behold. We have to give a huge shout out to coasterblog.se on Instagram for the amazing aerial footage of the track installation. Make sure to give him a follow for more amazing content like this. But the installation process is not all. In fact, only the last 2 footers need to be completed before all of the footers are ready for track support and track pieces. And also, the station is getting closer to being done. It's amazing to see the progress that has been made in such a short time, and we can't wait to see the finished product later in April. What is your opinion? Is Luna going to be a great lineup for Liseberg? Are you excited for Liseberg's 100th anniversary? Share your thoughts in the comment section, and if you liked this video, please subscribe to Coaster Stop. Stay tuned for more updates on Luna, and we can't wait to see you on the ride when it opens. Thank you for watching Coaster Stop.